Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a 1999, the very last of the Honda CBR 600F that were carbureted models. It's got the kind of square headlamp at the front, classic design, and it's I think the TT Color Special, I believe is, if I look up here, you can see TT Isle of Man for the stickers. Really nice little bike. Overall in nice condition, not super original. It has aftermarket little front indicators on it. Other than that, really good bike. The front tire here is good, front mud guard really nice condition. The front headlamp is original, the black shield on it, original mirrors. Right hand side you've got your dual discs with plenty of pads. The alloy itself is in really nice condition, as you can see. Paint all good. Right hand side fairings are really nice condition. CBR stickers underneath, all present there. Little bit of aging on the engine side cover casing. Everything up here, tank, all really good condition, no scrapes or marks to make note of. All around here, very nice. It's got a Micron exhaust, aged correct, right to the period. And rear here, seat all in really nice condition, no rips or tears. Rear handle good condition, original indicators, and the number plate holder hasn't been ripped in half like a lot of them are. Rear thread here good on the rear, all very nice. We have original chain cover, chain and sprocket are okay, swing arm all good. Up around here, all over, pretty good condition overall, as you can see. You know, not much to write home about in terms of being annoyed at anything on the bike. All pretty sound. Up over the top then, we have the tank. Perfect condition. Remember, it's a 1999 bike, so what, it's 25 years old now. Nearly 25 years old. Really beautiful. Spec bike, looked after well, running and riding well, and we'll have a look at that now on the ride along. Okay, so we're on to the next bike, which we're going to start with is this beautiful carbureted model CBR 600F from 1999. Switch her on, make sure the choke is on when she's cold. Show you she's cold completely. Hold on to the pipe. I know I'm wearing gloves, but you can take my word for it. And side stand in, and maybe a bit of revs. I might give her a minute or two just to warm up, make sure I'm recording, which I am. That's the alarm of the Tourist Trophy, or the Tourist Trophy. I keep calling it the Tourist Trophy, I'm sorry. It's a Triumph Trophy SE. Just thinking of the Honda GB 250 Tourist Trophy. Okay, and away we go. God, this bike feels like a little toy compared to the Trophy I was just on. The Trophy was just a massive brute of a thing. Now, we're not going to get an awful lot out of this bike now, to be fair, because we're just going around the estate, and this bike is best seen in and around the twisties. Although, do you know what? It's not overly uncomfortable. I mean, you are definitely leant over the bars. I think coming from the Trophy, where I was like in this big comfort mode, you know, it's a different story, different animal. Here in first gear, I don't really want to, wherever this, yes, okay, good. I was only going to go wherever the learner's not going to go, because as you can imagine, having a big revving bike behind you would be pretty intimidating. Very nice. CBR 600F carbureted model. I think these are special TT colors as well that the bike's in. Running and riding nicely, stopping and starting, all the good stuff, as you can imagine. I'll just spin around here. I didn't want to get involved with the Amazon Prime man, so I'll just make a nice wide berth from him. The throttle response is very responsive, as you can see here. Look. Very, very nice little bike. Honda CBR 600F, carbureted model, 1999. If you have liked the video so far, please do like, comment and subscribe. If you do want to reach out and have a look at any of the other bikes we have in stock, have a look at our website, www.retrobikesdublin.com. But onto this bike, we're going to just do a small little run up until the next bend here. We're going to turn in left and then we check out the indicators and so on, to show you the electrics are working. Although I have a feeling everything should be working. We do test these things before we go out. Sometimes when you have any older bike, if you know anything over 25, 30 years old, I mean, you're gonna get some things. Sometimes you have everything right, you go out and then all of a sudden the left indicator bulb goes for whatever reason. Anyway, hair in my mouth I have to get rid of, thank you. Front right indicator, you can see working there, or front left I should say. Rear left indicator working as well. Front right indicator working, and the rear right indicator working. Now as for front lights, the horn as well. Horn is working. Front headlamps working, as you can see, very, very nice. And idling very nicely. So sounds good, handles good, stops good, and looks good ultimately as well there, as you can see. Honda CBR 600F, carbureted model, 1999. If you have liked the video, please do like, comment and subscribe. If you do want to reach out about this bike, you can reach us on at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, as well as our official website, www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.